Ever look at your bike and think, this thing could be so much better? You're right, it could. Whether you're dodging traffic, crushing trails, or just trying not to get your bike stolen for the third time, these 30 gadgets solve problems you didn't even know you had. Turning your head constantly to check traffic? Dangerous. These bar-end mirrors give you automotive-grade HD vision behind you. 360-degree rotation, 180-degree adjustment, 4.7 by 2.4-inch lens sees more than competitors. Shatterproof film, scratch-resistant glass fits flat handlebars 14 to 24 millimeters. Solid nylon frame, stainless steel screws installs with included hex key. Once you mirror monitor traffic, blind spots disappear. Phone, wallet, keys bouncing in your pockets? This waterproof frame bag mounts in seconds. Quick install clamp, rotate 90 degrees to lock or remove. 1.3-liter capacity, fits 4.7 to 7-inch phones, sensitive touchscreen. Rain cover included, fits top tube or stem. Holds charger, wallet, snacks. Once you bag organize essentials, pocket chaos ends. Want pedals that make you 57% more visible? ArcLight Pro LED pedals auto on-off when you ride. MTB level grip, 10 replaceable traction pins per side. SmartSet sensors show white front, red rear automatically. USB rechargeable, 36+ hours battery, 3 light modes. Weatherproof IP64 rated, aerospace aluminum. Once you glow pedal at night, standard pedals feel invisible. Chain falling off, hands getting greasy? Rehook tool snaps chain back without mess. Attaches to your bike, always ready. Great for rear gears, reaches spaces fingers can't. Perfect stocking stuffer size. Once you tool fix chains, greasy fingers end. Recording rides with covered camera? This mount leaves it exposed. 1-second lock and release, one-hand operation. Reinforced clamp, silicone padding prevents drops. 360 degrees rotation, fits 4.7 to 7-inch phones. Handlebar diameter 0.59 to 1.57 inches. Once you quick mount your phone, fumbling stops. Phone mount plus 5-watt Bluetooth speaker. 5,000 milliamp-hour battery runs 12 to 15 hours music, 6 to 7 hours with lights. Double LED lights illuminate 50 meters ahead. Bike worn connects via socket, 3 ringtones, adjustable volume. With adjustable mount fits 3.5 to 7-inch phones. Once you sound ride with lights, silent cycling feels boring. Bike taking floor space? This wall mount holds 66 pounds, swivels 150 degrees. Bearing system lets you store bike center, left or right angled. Rubber coated protects wheels. Mounts vertical, saves massive space. Fits most bikes except wheels over 3.54 inches deep. Once you wall store bikes, floor clutter vanishes. Turn any bike electric with Bafang 500, 750 or 1000 watt kit. 100 to 160 Newton-meters torque conquers hills. Speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. Includes motor, battery options, and LCD display. Fits bottom bracket 68 to 73 millimeters, 100 millimeters, 120 millimeters. Throttle, pedal assist, standard cycling modes. Once you mid-drive electric, hills become flat. Tools rattling loose? This 3D shell saddlebag protects with wave cushion. Upgrade straps, waterproof fabric, taped zipper. Reflective strap, taillight hook. Mesh pockets, structured inside. 3.22 by 9 by 3.93 inches. Lifetime warranty. Once you shell protect tools, rattling stops. Phone vibrating off mount? This holder has double-layer locks, silicone pads, bottom support. Camera-friendly half enclosure, 1-second quick lock. 4 rubber gaskets fit different handlebars. Fits 4.7 to 7-inch phones, 12-month warranty. Once you lock mount securely, drops become history. Guessing tire pressure? This digital gauge reads 3 to 200 psi.
accurate in extreme weather, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Replaceable AAA batteries. LED light illuminates dark areas. Car-proof durable. Works after being run over. Once you digitally gauge, guessing feels reckless. Weak 4-digit locks? This 5-digit chain lock offers 100,000 combinations. 0.24-inch alloy steel, drill-resistant, anti-pick, scratch-proof fabric protection, keyless convenience. 3.2 feet long, locks multiple bikes, weighs 1.45 pounds. Once you 5-digit secure, weak locks feel pointless. Your bike needs a brain? Garmin Edge tracks VO2 max, recovery, stamina insights. 26-hour battery, 42 hours in saver mode. Multiband GNSS positioning. Climb Pro Ascent Planner. Power guide, training prompts, ride type maps. Once you data track performance, blind riding feels uncertain. Hand pumps exhausting you? This foot pump inflates up to 100 psi. Heavy-duty iron construction, built-in gauge, foot-operated. Sports balls, bike tires, car tires, compact storage design. Once you foot pump tires, hand pumping feels medieval. Flat tire, no tools, Airbank weighs 3.3 ounces, fits in pocket. 100 psi max, 12 liter per minute speed. Fast 20-minute USB-C charge. Schrader and Presta valves. 2-year warranty. Once you pocket pump anywhere, bulky pumps feel unnecessary. Puncture mid-ride? This pen-style repair kit fixes tubeless tires instantly. Aluminum alloy construction, rust-proof, waterproof, 10 bacon strips included, self-sealing adhesive, no messy cement needed. Fixes 1 to 6 millimeter punctures. Once you pen repair tires, waiting for help ends. Thieves working overtime? Foldilock Forever has 1818 sold secure gold rating, 0.25-inch hardened steel plates, anti-tamper rivets, opens to 35.4 inches, folds compact, silent mounting bracket, no rattles, 3-year warranty. Once you gold rate lock bikes, theft fear decreases. Indoor training boring? This electromagnetic trainer connects to the rear wheel. ±5% accuracy, 69 decibels at 20 miles per hour. ANT Plus and Bluetooth connectivity, Zwift certified, includes Ralvi subscription, steel quick-release skewer included. Once you smart train indoors, basic trainers feel outdated. Dark rides invisible? These spoke lights pack 14 RGB LEDs, 30 patterns, motion-activated, speed-responsive patterns, waterproof, lightweight, fits 16-inch wheels and above. Auto mode glows while riding, off 30 seconds after stopping. Once you light show wheels, dark cycling feels risky. Weak bike bell? This 120 decibel horn gets driver attention instantly. USB-C fast charging, 300 mAh battery lasts 5,000 uses. Optimized acoustic engineering, loud but not harsh. IP65 waterproof, 110-gram weight. Tool-free installation. Once you horn blast warnings, tiny bells feel useless. Bike getting touched? This motion alarm has 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, 113 decibel alarm, 3-level volume, IP65 waterproof, wireless remote 20-meter range, SOS emergency function, vehicle search bells, double-sided sticker and strap mount. Once you alarm protect bikes, simple locks feel inadequate. Roadside breakdown? This Vibrelli multi-tool packs 19 precision tools, hex keys, chain breaker, spoke wrenches, screwdrivers, military-grade MIL STD 810G rated, hardened chrome vanadium steel, 6.5 ounces, 3-inch length, lifetime warranty. Once you multi-tool repair, helplessness ends. Blind to traffic behind? This 1080p rear camera has 4.3-inch screen, 145-degree wide angle, night vision, no distortion. Tool-free installation, shock-proof stand. 78-inch cable fits most bikes. Once you camera monitor rear, constant head turning stops. Tire pressure mystery? Phobo sensors monitor 24/7 within 30-meter range. 3-level smart alerts, 2-year battery life. Tracks up to 130 psi. Temperature monitoring. QR code setup works with Schrader valves. Once you monitor live pressure, flats get prevented. Need ride evidence? This IP67 waterproof dash cam records 1080p. 10,000 milliamp hour battery runs 10 to 12 hours. Wide angle 130, 110, 100 degrees adjustable. Dual mode night vision, auto brightness adjustment. Tool-free install. Fits 20 to 30 millimeter handlebars. Once you record, protect rides, accidents get documented. Bottle cage too small? ABC cage expands 2.25 to 4.75 inches. Turn knob to adjust, holds any bottle or small speaker. Engineered plastic, feather light, tough. Handlebar or drill hole mounting options. Once you expand, hold bottles, standard cages feel limiting. Music blocking traffic sounds? Bone conduction rests on cheekbones, ears stay open. Bluetooth 5.4, 10-hour battery, IPX5 waterproof. Wraparound titanium frame, secure fit. Built-in mic for calls. Once you bone conduct audio, ear blocking feels unsafe.
Rough roads destroying you? This suspension post has 16 adjustable springs, holds 80 to 320 pounds, 5 interchangeable loading springs, custom tuned by weight and preference. Easy spring swaps, adjustable knob. Once you suspend your seat, rigid posts feel punishing. Bike stolen? Air bell hides Apple AirTag in bike bell. 85 decibel functional bell, 22.2 millimeter handlebar fit. Apple Find My network tracks worldwide. TÜV SÜD quality tested. Designed in Austria. Once you bell track bikes, recovery becomes possible. Need more handlebar space? This extender adds USB charging and power bank function. Aluminum alloy, corrosion resistant. Fits 22 to 31.8 millimeter handlebars. Mounts lights, GPS, phone racks, charges phone while riding. Once you extend charge handlebars, single mount setups feel limited. And there you have it, 30 bike gadgets that separate casual riders from people who actually know what they're doing. Which one's going in your cart first? Let me know in the comments below. And if like this video, you will also love the video coming on your screen. Click on it for more tech upgrades.